So previously I had told you about the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, their properties, characteristics, their molecular arrangement, and how we can get one state from another state of matter, that is conversion of solid to liquid or liquid to gas or solid to gas. So but nowadays modern scientists, they are talking about of five states of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, plasma and BEC. BEC means that is the fifth state of matter. Its full form is Bose-Einstein condensate. So we have already studied about solid, liquid and gas. Now we will see what is plasma. So this is the fourth state of matter. Mostly the plasma, it is made up of atoms in which some or all of the electrons have been stripped away and positively charged nuclei called ions roam freely. So plasma is made up of atoms in which the electrons have been stripped away and positively charged nuclei, these are called ions, they roam freely. So we can say that. So plasma, this is made up of atoms in which some or all of the electrons have been stripped away and positively charged nuclei called ions roam freely. Technically it is an ionized gas consisting of positive ions and free electrons in proportion, resulting in more or less or no overall electric charge. So you can say that these particles are in the form of ionized gas. Here plasma, the particles are in the form of ionized gas. The fluorescent tube and the neon sign bulb consist of plasma. Inside a neon sign bulb there is neon gas, and inside a fluorescent tube there is helium gas or some other gases are there. That gas gets ionized, that is it gets charged when electrical energy flows through it. This charging up creates a plasma glowing inside the tube or bulb. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of the gas. So overall you can say that this plasma occurs at extremely high temperature, and it is found mostly in stars, lightning and neon light. The plasma that is created in stars because of very high temperature, because this plasma needs extremely high temperature to be created. It is mostly found in stars, lightning and neon light, like in neon bulb, neon sign bulb or fluorescent tube. Okay, so this is about plasma. If you will see the schematic diagram of the plasma, you can say that. You can see here that it is ionized gas consisting of positive ions and free electrons in proportion, resulting in electric charge. More or less or no overall no electric charge, but it is present in the form of positive ions and free electrons. So this is the schematic diagram of the plasma. So this is all about plasma. Now we will see what is BEC, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. So this is the schematic diagram of plasma, and this is, we can say that Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. It is it has some extreme strange properties with many possible applications. So we can see that the BEC is formed. It is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of normal air, to super low temperatures. So that means the temperature may go very close to absolute. So this is made up of cooling gas. This is formed by cooling of a gas of extremely low density, means the temperature may be go to very close to absolute zero. So it has some strange properties, like it is the property of superfluidity. That means it can flow without interior friction. Since they have effectively super atoms, BEC are all moving in the same way at the same time when they flow, and they don't have energy loss during friction. So this is BEC. Some scientists also got Nobel Prize because of this, for achieving this BEC. So you can read in your book, some scientists names are given, and it is like Indian physicist, that is Satyendra Nath Bose. He had done the calculation for the fifth state of matter, and according to him, that Albert Einstein predicted a new state of matter, that is BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. So on the basis of Satyendra Nath Bose, on the basis of his calculation only, the Albert Einstein predicted the state of matter, which is known as the fifth state of matter, and it is known as BEC. So it is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 1,000th the density of the normal air or to super low temperature. That means the temperature is going very close to absolute zero also. So this is all about BC, and you can read in your book also, it is given for plasma and BEC. You can collect information from your book also.